I'm going to give you a few options. You're welcome to skip anything you'd like. Inhale, sweep the arms high, grabbing opposite elbow. From here, doing whatever feels nice, reaching up and back for a back bend, or maybe to the side. Taking a deep breath. And then switching out the elbows, lifting up and out, reaching to the side. Trying to find length through your side body. Inhale, back to center. Gently release the arms, sweep them high. Grab opposite wrist and pull to the side. Inhale, back to center. Switch out the wrists and pull up and out. Inhale, back to center. Turning around, taking your right hand to your mid-back. Your left hand reaches for your right elbow. And then maybe you find the connection with both hands. Left hand can meet the right underneath. Cow face arms. Feeling that tug of war. And then switching it out. Left hand to your mid-back. Right hand grabs left elbow. Giving yourself a little assistance. Feeling the stretch. And then right hand goes underneath to catch your left. Noticing the difference between both sides. Can be a little tricky. You can always take a strap if your hands do not reach. Shake it out. Find an eagle bind. Binding your arms, right arm goes underneath the left. Trying to align your elbows in line with your shoulders. Breathing, opening up through the back, through the shoulders, release the arms, and then switch it out. Left arm goes underneath. If you don't have a full bind, you can give yourself a hug, very similar stretch. And then taking our hands to our low back, punching our fists down. Exhale, forward fold. Punch your fists down in front of you. Trying to clasp your palms together. You can bend your knees deeply, keep them straight here. Very intense shoulder stretch. Gently release your hands down. Thank you so much for joining me. This was Flow.